Hello everybody, my name is Connor and I will be showing you today how to post a blog on our Deepening Community's website. This video is to help encourage our viewers to join or create a conversation of their own. First, you will need to open up your web browser and type in www.deepeningcommunity.ca, or you can just type in the search bar Deepening Community and it'll probably come up as well. Now, at a first glance, this does look very intimidating, but I can assure you that it is not a difficult process to create a blog. Before you post a blog, you need to create an account. To create your account, click on the Join button in the top right corner of your screen. This will prompt you to create your account. Make sure you try to fill in as much information as possible. Now, I'll be right back with all the information filled in. As you can see, I've filled in all the required fields, as well as the other fields to ensure I pass through the built-in screening mechanism. Once you have filled in all your information, you have the option to sign up for our monthly newsletter, The Seeker's Journal. I would highly recommend signing up for the journal, as it nicely summarizes everything that has happened in the previous month, but of course it is not mandatory. Moving forward, all that is left for you to complete is to agree to the terms and conditions, to complete the CAPTCHA, and then just hit join and you have successfully made your account. Shortly after you have created your account, you will receive a confirmation email with a link to confirm your account and to create your password. This email can take up to 48 hours depending on the website traffic, and make sure to check your junk mail. On the screen is the confirmation email that you will receive after creating your account. The next step is to create a password for your account. In order to do this, click on the link below listed in the email, which will then send you to the Deepening Community website to create your password. After you've created your password, you are finally done the process of making an account. You will also receive an additional email that is just welcoming you to the Deepening Community. After you have set your password, head back to the Deepening Community website and type in your username and password, then hit sign in. Once you've signed in, head to the top right corner of your page and hit My Profile. From this page, you can find related content from your interests, you can edit your profile, and of course, you can create a blog. To post a blog, you're going to want to scroll down to My Profile options and then hit Post a Blog. Now there's a lot going on the screen right now, but there are only a handful of tools that you will need to use to create a blog. I'm going to jump ahead and put all the information I used for a previous blog. Then I'm going to go over each section of the blog to show you how to make your own. Alrighty, so this is a blog I wrote earlier called Dinner is Ready, the importance of eating as a family. So, like your profile, anything with a red star has to be completed in order to submit the blog. This is the title that will appear on your home screen. If you look to your right, you will see what it looks like on the home screen. The subtitle will appear beneath your blog. It is not required, but it can provide readers with a little bit more context about your blog. Tags are keywords that apply to your blog. There is a section on the website where you can search by tags. This just makes it easier for other readers to find your blog. Tags are created by adding a number sign and then adding text, similar to a hashtag on Twitter. Once you've got your tags down, you'll need to provide a teaser. This is what will appear under your blog, and it will give your readers a better idea of what your blog is about. It can be a segment of your blog or separate text to draw your readers in. The next step is to choose what type of blog you want. The only blocks you really need to check is the featured blog. This will make your blog appear on the home screen. The body portion of your blog is where you submit your actual content. Now, I'll go over what each button does. There is the basic bold, italicize, and underline. And beside that, you have the bullet points and the numbered points. Beside that are the tab functions. As you can see, if you hit the right tab button, it adds an indent. And if you hit the left tab button, it removes the indent. The next function you'll need to use is the insert image function, or this little tree image here. To use this, click on the little tree and a new window will open. Click on the little image beside the image URL, which will lead you to another window. You will see an array of photos that have been uploaded. If you can't find one you like, you have the option of uploading your own. To upload a photo of your own, hit the Upload button in the top left corner of your screen. Go Choose File, and then select a picture from your own files. Once you've done so, hit the Upload button, and the photo will appear at the bottom of your screen. Just head over and click on this photo, and it will bring you back to the first pop-up window. From this window, you can change the image description, you can set the text alignment, you can change the dimensions of it, and then you can also add a border, vertical space, and horizontal space. Once you have all those to your liking, hit the Insert button, and it'll be inserted within your blog. Going back up, the font family will change the font of your text, and the font size will change the size of your text. The other buttons, such as the anchor and the movie button, you will not need to use. If you would like to insert a video into your blog, I highly recommend you use a YouTube link or another streaming service link. It is much more efficient and easier for your readers to connect to. We are almost done. There are just a few more functions to go over. Beneath the body of your text are a bunch of drop-down menus. You will only ever need to use the input format, the file attachments, and the authoring information. The input format is only used for a couple of occasions. For the most part, you will be using filtered HTML or full HTML. Full HTML offers a few more tools, such as inserting a table, but I don't think many of you will be using a table in your blogs. PHP code is used for when you A, are comfortable with coding, or B, you have aligned your inserted photo with text. If you do not post your blog in PHP code and have the aligned function, it will not show inline. As you can see, on the left is with the PHP code, and on the right is without. File attachments are for if you want to include any external documents, like a PDF or a PowerPoint. The final function is authoring information. This will allow you to post anonymously if you so wish, or if you are posting on behalf of someone else. And we are done. All that is left to do is to publish your blog. You can preview your blog by hitting the Preview button, which will show you how your blog will appear when someone clicks on it. The Save button will store your blog so you can work on it later. Last, there is the Publish button that will post your blog. This marks the end of the tutorial. I hope you are now confident enough to post your own blog. Thanks for watching.